Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and like the name suggests here, we are moving forward with our trading binary options examples, and we'd like to show you a classical example for buying calls with on the Euro New Zealand dollar asset. And the reason for that is of course technical, nothing else. And this technical setup calls for a double three running. This is being called a complex form of correction that usually ends with a contracting triangle. This contracting triangle is almost always being followed by a powerful impulsive move, a move that should extend more than 161.8 out of the previous wave, and it is being formed out of three corrections, two that go against the previous trend and one that goes with the previous trend, and normally should result into a powerful extended move. Now, this is the 4-hour chart on the Euro and New Zealand and the New Zealand dollar pair, and this is the move to the upside. Here looks to be impulsive. Normally should be treated as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the double combination the double three running should start from this moment of time, like this, and this to be the first correction here. This to be the first correction, followed by an X wave. This is being called. Let me try to mark the highs in the X wave. So followed by an X wave, and this should be followed of course by the second correction and this second correction comes in the form of a contracting triangle in the end, and that makes it a double combination for this second correction. So A, B, C, D, E, as you can see, this is the contracting triangle that I'm looking at, like this, and normally this line here should hold on any attempt to the downside. Providing this line holds here, then it implies that the E wave here of the triangle would be done somewhere around here. So this is A, B, C, X, and then A, B, C, D, and E. And let's make also the upper side of the contracting triangle here, like this. And providing this one would hold, what we will do is we'll engage into buying calls by the time breaks the 165.13. As you can see here, this is our strategy, and by that moment, so we are just looking at this trend line. We are looking at this trend line to buy calls either here or when the triangle is broken. It depends very much on the type of a trader you are, if you are aggressive or if you are more conservative in your trading style. But we are looking for this to be the end, so most likely to come as being the end of the contracting triangle, and the outcome should be a powerful and strong move to the upside that should extend more than 161.8 out of the previous wave, and the previous wave should be this one that ended here. So the target to the upside normally should go, let's take a Fibonacci expansion, so should go from the lows here to the highs here and to the end of the contracting triangle, probably around the current levels, and should go 161.8, and as you can see, 161.8 here comes into this area, and it has a value of over 169. Now over 169, this is it, in the sense that we are not going to look for lower values. This must go by the pip. This may be labeled either as a first and a second wave, and the price should move to the upside, or it should be labeled an A and a B and a C. It doesn't really matter. It is a powerful move, and based on this outcome, what we are doing, we are buying calls. So let's just write here that we are buying calls for 1 week expiration date, or buying calls for end of month, as a lot of brokers already offer end of month expiration date. based on this outcome. Now it remains to be seen. This is our strategy we intend to use here. By the time you have the triangle that is broken, it is looking like a classical double three running, and based on that we are buying calls. Remember, when you buy calls, you look for price at expiration to be bigger than the striking price, and this is what we are looking for. And our striking price normally should come after the price breaks this upper trend line, so somewhere around 164 area. It remains to be seen. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com, and keep in mind that all of these are possible because of our official sponsor here, Lion Eye. Until next time, stay safe on the markets and trade good. Bye bye.